preview on this, as you saw, we saw the article. I'm not sure why that is so short. That must be a spin rewriter thing. It's dropping that quite short. That's a good size article.
Yeah, because you choose on paragraph level, so it puts into article different quantity of paragraphs.
Yeah, no, that's perfect though. The good news about that, if you see that, is that these articles are changing, but not only are they just changing, you can see they're also changing in the sites. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, because if Google finds that I've now got 15 or 17 new blog posts pointing back to my website, my YouTube video, my Facebook page, whatever it may be, if every single one of them has got exactly 500 words, it's going to look a little bit suspicious. Okay, so the fact that they do not only change in text but change in size as well is probably more advantageous. It looks like it would be much more natural that somebody building links back to your website would do. So we've got all of that in there now. What we can do is make sure that we are adding some embedded content to this blog post that's really going to help, especially if you're doing things like local SEO. So as a local SEO, one of the things that I'm going to want to do is go to maps.google.co.uk, and I'm going to want to try and find if there's a Google My Business listing for Hairdressers Surely. So let's just type that in, Hairdressers Surely. Remember, I'm in maps.google. I'm going to click on the one that's them, and then I'm going to click on share. Then I'm going to click on embed map, and I'm going to grab this map embed code right from here, copy HTML. I can now go back to Ranksnap, and I can click on this embed Google Maps and just paste that code right in and click OK. Okay, now if I preview this article, you'll see that every time it posts this article, it's going to have a map embedded in the article. And yeah, you can see it right there. This is going to be super good for helping you rank in Google Maps. If I just head back to google.co.uk and just manually type in Hairdressers Surely, you'll see here that this is the local maps listings, positions 1, 2, and 3. If I want to rank higher in these, get in things like my map embedded in different blogs, and also making sure that I have my full NAP, which is name, address, and phone number in the article, is really going to help with that. So that's what I'm going to do underneath on this one. I'm going to say Hairdressers Surely, and then I'm going to say free cowling brow. And that is in Chorley, Lancashire, PR6, OQE. Before I accept that, I'm just going to quickly head over and make sure that that definitely is what it was. Your NAP's too important to be putting it in wrong. We want to make sure this is 100% consistent each time. So just bear with me 1 second. Yeah, this is my wife's salon actually, OUE. Okay, that's interesting. That's OUE. Let me just quickly check then again, just to make sure that that's not wrong in maps.google. Oh, that's 37. That's up the road actually. So just bear with me 1 second. Hairdressers Surely. It is OQE on Google Maps, perfect. And then this is the telephone number that's in Google Maps for Hairdressers Surely. So I want to make sure that we also put the telephone number in there. There's no link pointing back to the website at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link back the business name as part of the NAP, and I'll just link that back to the parent tier URL. Okay, and just click OK on that. That's now going to link back to
simple, James, there is a CL button. You see it? So
campaign link.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm only